Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
How are you?
I am good. Thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Are you busy?
No, I am not busy.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak English.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Where do you work?
I work at a hospital.
How do you travel to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do for fun?
I like reading book.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here you are.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Have you been to London?
No, I haven't been there yet.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It's just around the corner.
What is your job?
I am a teacher.
Can you help me with my homework?
Of course, I have be happy to help.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling.
Are you busy right now?
No, I am not busy at the moment.
What is your phone number?
It's 0177123455.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Where did you go on your last vacation?
I went to the beach.
What is your favorite movie?
I like action movies.
Would you like some coffee?
No, thank you.
Do you play any musical instrument?
I play the guitar.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Is there a pharmacy nearby?
Yes, there's on across the street.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
What is your favorite sports?
I enjoy playing tennis.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
I am going to visit my friends.
How much does it cost?
It's $20.
What is your dream job?
I had loved to be a photographer.
Can I have a glass of water?
Certainly, here you are.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What's your favorite type of music?
I enjoy listening to pop music.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I have been to a few.
What's your favorite subject in school?
I like mathematics.
Do you any weekend plan?
I am going hiking.
What's your shoe size?
It's 8. Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook simple meals.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like this mass.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 5 years.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy watching comedies.
Do you have a driver license?
Yes, I do.
What's your favorite type of dessert?
I loved chocolate cake.
Are you morning person?
No, I perfect evenings.
What's your favorite place in the world?
I love the bees.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I am going to a movie.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
What's your favorite type of exercise?
I like jogging.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
I love going to the mountains.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I enjoy dancing.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I like it when it's sunny.
Are you a vegetarian?
No, I eat meat.
What's your favorite type of drinks?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a favorite restaurant?
Yes, it's an Italian restaurant.
What's your favorite king of pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I play the piano.
What's your favorite type of pasta?
I like spaghetti.
Do you have any weekend plans?
I am going shopping.
What's your favorite type of foods?
I love strawberry.